Okay, let's open Excel and let's maximize it and open Excel Test Expert 4 and then go to the Tools menu and track changes and highlight changes and check the track changes while editing and clear the when box and OK and OK. And now let's go to the File menu and Save As, and let's name this Samuel's Sheet and click the Save button, and then we can close that sheet and we want to reopen Excel Test Exp 4, and now let's click in C4 and enter 3000 and then click in C6 and enter 2500, and now let's save that under the name of Tully's Sheet or Tully's Sheet. And then we can close that one and reopen Excel Test Exp 4. And this time let's enter some different values. Let's click in C6 and enter 1500 and click in B14 and enter 21, and let's save that as Meadmum's Sheet. And then we can close that sheet. Now let's reopen Samuel's Sheet. We should find it there. There it is. And now let's go to the Tools menu and Merge Workbooks and OK to that message. And now click on Tully's Sheet and hold the Control key down and click on Meadmum's Sheet and OK. And now let's widen column C so we can see the figures. And now go to the Tools menu, Track Changes and Highlight Changes and clear the When box and select List Changes on a new sheet and OK. And there's all the changes we made. Now we can close out of that and we don't really need to save.